Are you getting ready for the Praxis Health and Physical Education exam? That's exam code 5857. My name is Jamie Jo, and I'm a certified teacher and Praxis coach with Study.com. In this video, we'll walk through 4 sample problems for the management, motivation, and communication/collaboration subtopic of this exam. This practice will help ensure that you're confident on test day. Ready? Let's jump in. At Romero's IEP meeting, his PE teacher said, he hits his target number of daily dues, but his weekly warm-ups are too short, and the monthly milestones seem too challenging for him. The others at the meeting were confused about how to help Romero based on this information. Which element of effective communication does the PE teacher need to be reminded about? Adopting solutions that work for all partners, staying open to all solutions, making sure the issue is clear, or speaking based on common goals. Well, the first 2 are not great options because he is not for or against any solutions. It doesn't say that his coworkers or anyone else in the meeting even gave any solutions, so those cannot be the answer options. The third one, making sure the issue is clear. It is possible that no one gave any solutions because they were not sure about where the issues actually were, because he used very specific language to his classroom, like daily dues and weekly warm-ups and the monthly milestones. Others might not know what those specifically mean, so it would be best for him to be clear about those. And the fourth option, speaking based on common goals. Well, everyone at the meeting has the common goal of helping Romero, so that is not the best option. The answer is making sure the issue is clear. Problem 2. Mr. Tai is having a hard time with time management in his elementary PE class. Which of the following is an action step that his principal might give him to work on? Start each class with a chit-chat, how is your day session, so that students feel comfortable in class with you and their classmates. Allow students to partner up and run relays so that students of all abilities can feel welcome and included. Check in with the special needs students as resource teachers so that you can be part of their IEP process. Give an award every week to hardest worker and have that person be the equipment manager for the week so that the putting away of equipment goes more efficiently. Well, time management in general is the process of planning and controlling how much time to spend on specific activities. All of these suggestions listed here are specific action steps, but only one of them would refer to Mr. Tai's time management issue, the returning of equipment. So the answer is the last one, give an award every week to hardest worker and have that person be the equipment manager for the week so that the putting away of equipment goes more efficiently. Problem 3. When the principal conducted an interview in order to hire a new teacher, they were using what type of communication? Written, nonverbal, oral, or interpersonal. These are the 4 main types of communication. Now, written communication, as far as a traditional interview, an interviewee and an interviewer are typically communicating verbally and not writing back and forth, so we can cross that answer option out. The next one, nonverbal. There might be some nonverbal cues going on during the interview, but that's still not the main way that they are speaking, so we can also cross that answer option out. Now, oral communication, this involves verbal expression, and that is the main way that a traditional interview is conducted. They are speaking back and forth, so that might be our answer option. Let's look at the last one, interpersonal. So interpersonal communication includes both verbal and nonverbal communication on a more familiar level. So in this specific setting, oral is the best answer here because it's professional. They are not just communicating between partners or friends. So the answer option is the third one, oral. Problem 4. Which of the following best describes intrinsic motivation? Will's dad praised him for making a home run in the last game of the season. Coach Thomas told his entire team that their hard work paid off. Johnny is proud of himself for scoring the winning goal at his soccer game. Or Carla was awarded a second-place trophy for the 50-meter in swim. Well, let's start by looking at intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation. For intrinsic motivation, that is for an internal reward, and they both start with in. Now, extrinsic motivation is motivation for an external reward or a prize, and those both start with X. So that is a great way to distinguish the two. So let's look back at the first option. That is an example of an extrinsic motivation or an external reward because the praise is coming from Will's dad and not Will himself. So we know that is not our answer. The second option, the praise is coming from the coach and not the players for themselves. So that is also not our answer. The third option, Johnny is proud of himself. That feeling is coming from within, that is internal. So that might be our answer. Let's look at the fourth option. Carla was awarded a second-place trophy. Well, that is definitely an external reward. That is a prize. So we know that is not our answer either. So our answer is the third option. Johnny is proud of himself for scoring the winning goal at his soccer game. I hope this was helpful. If you're looking for more ways to study, then check out our other videos and also make your way over to study.com to check out our Praxis test prep courses. As a study.com member, you'll get full access to hundreds of practice problems like the ones I just walked you through, plus targeted instruction for any topics that you are still struggling with, as well as test strategies to help you maximize your score on test day. Finally, we want to hear from you. Please like and subscribe if today's video was helpful, and let us know down below in the comments if there are any topics that you want us to cover next. Good luck and happy studying!